Hi you guys, welcome back. Well, I hope you got a chance to check out my how to make a cooking video. There's two of them. There's a lot of information in there. If you haven't seen them yet, just go ahead and click above there and it'll take you right to them. Well, today I want to talk to you about this app that I found that's free. So if you have an Android or an iPhone or an iPad, you may want to check this out. It'll make shooting your video a lot easier. Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. Well, setting up a cooking video can be very time consuming. I'm sure you can agree with me on that. By the time you center the shot, get your white balance set, and if you're like me, I use a prime lens, so you have to set the focus. And as you're going back and forth and adjusting, you're having to do this on a little tiny screen. Well, as you can see, my eyesight's not the greatest. I wish there was some way that I had a bigger screen to look at. Well, you're going to be glad that you stopped by. Have you heard of this app called Lumix Link? Well, if you haven't, this is another reason why you should look at Panasonic cameras. I have the GH3. Okay, so you got all the ingredients laid out. You're ready to cook. You got the lighting ready. You've got your camera ready to go. So what you do is you turn your camera on first, turn on your Wi-Fi on your GH3, and you're going to connect to the iPad. It's a real simple process. Once you've done that, whatever the camera can see is now on your iPad. You're using it as a monitor. But here's the thing, if you need to make any adjustments, you could do it right here on the iPad, because this app will do a lot of things for you that your camera does, except instead of doing it on your camera, you do it here on the monitor with your fingertips. Go on YouTube, it'll tell you a lot of stuff that this thing will do. I'm not going to waste your time right now and telling you exactly what this thing does, because there's a lot of YouTubes on it already. But this is what I use. It's free. Try it out. It's going to help you with your cooking videos, to help you make a better cooking video. Trust me, this thing works, and it's free. Okay, here you can see me standing looking into the camera, but if you look to the right, you can see the iPad being used as a monitor. Okay, what I'm going to do next is walk away from the camera and walk to the camera that's behind me and zoom in on the monitor, and that way you can see what it looks like close up. As you can see on the screen, there's a lot of features that you can control your camera with. All you got to do is just touch it with your finger. I'll leave the link below, that way you can download it and play with it. Okay, let me show you how easy it is to connect. Again, I'm using a Panasonic Lumix GH3. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is turn on our iPad and go to the settings. Now we're going to go to my GH3 and we're going to turn it on. Once it's on, you're going to look on top and you're going to see where it says the button function 1. That's to turn on your Wi-Fi. Once it's on, you'll see a blue flashing light come on. That means you're on. Okay, if it's your first time connecting, you're going to have to hit the top button for new connection, and it's going to give you a password. You're going to use that if the iPad is asking you for a password. Since I've already connected, I'm going to go to the second bar down, and I'm going to press that button, and it's my history, and I'm going to press the top connection. That's the last connection that I used. Now we're going to go back to the Wi-Fi and hit the Wi-Fi button. Once you press it, it's looking for the GH3. Once you see it pop up, press the GH3 to pair with the camera. When it connects to the camera, you'll see a little check. Once you see a check, it means the iPad and the camera are paired. Now let's go to the Lumix Link application. Go ahead and press it. Okay, once you pressed it, it's connecting. Give it a second. Then you'll see both screens pop up. Now you're linked together and your iPad now is your monitor to your camera, as you can see by this demonstration. Now this is the extent of what I know about connecting and any issues. If you have any problems, you may want to talk to somebody. Please don't write to me, because I didn't design this software, so I can't tell you what cameras it can connect to or not. I believe it'll connect to a GH4. But other than that, go on YouTube and learn about it. It's really easy to use, and it's very helpful in your cooking videos or any other videos that you're making. Just so you know, I'm not getting any product endorsements for this video. But really, check out this software. It's free and you don't need the internet to connect it. You could use this anywhere. I'll leave the links below, one to connect to your Droid and one connect to your iOS. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!